If you're watching this, it means you're having sprinting issues with your controller. Luckily, it's an easy fix. So this works with a PS4 controller, Xbox controller, and I'm not sure about the others, but it should work for the others as well. Let's get right into it. First, you're gonna need a screwdriver. Next, it's gonna be a sensor from within either one of these, which you can get for a couple cents on, like eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, all that shit. Or you can just grab it from a different controller. An optional choice is the USB and your computer. For that completely optional step, you can plug in your controller to your computer. Go over to html5gamepad.com, and when you plug it in, it just shows you the inputs. And as you can see, every time I try to go to the top, it bounces to the bottom, and that's what's stopping me from sprinting. The first step is to remove the 4 screws. There's one here, 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 and here. All right, now that I have all the screws off to the side, this is, in my opinion, the hardest step. It's actually just taking off the back shell. Usually I just pinch it, try to wedge something in between the creases here, but yeah, this might take a minute. All right, once you pop off the back shell, be careful because there's a ribbon cable in between. All you gotta do is take the blue tab here and pull it out. Now you got both of them separate. Up next, I'm gonna unplug this battery and move the battery off to the side. Don't mind the tape there. Behind the battery, there should be one screw. Let's pop that out. Now that you have that screw out, you're gonna find that this battery tray is clipped on to the side right here. So just pop this tray out and pull on this blue ribbon. This ribbon is attached to the touchpad, so once you plug that out, you can take the rest out. Now that you got that blue ribbon out, this whole thing just should wiggle right out. This might look intimidating, but it's really not. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab that, either the separate stick that you bought, link is gonna be in the description, or the name, whatever. Or you can grab it from a controller that you don't care about, and you're just gonna pop one of these sides out. All right, so I just dug my nail in here and popped this out, and the sensor is right inside. The only thing you need to worry about is memorizing the exact orientation, because you're gonna basically do a transplant here. I popped off the green part, and then I took out the white part, and the white part has the sensor attached to it. Now let's move over to the PS4 controller. You're gonna see there's a sensor on the left that controls the up and down movements, and then there's a sensor on the top that controls the side to side. So what you're gonna do is, since you're having issues with your up and down, you're gonna pop off the one to the side. So this one right here. All right, of course we're not gonna solder anything, so the pins on this green part are just gonna get bent back, and I'm gonna take out the white part right here. From a side-by-side comparison, you can see the old one is all worn out, and here's the new one. So I don't need this anymore. I'm gonna take this one, and you're gonna see that a part of it is extended. The bent part is gonna be the top. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna pop it inside the green part with this extended part on the top. Once you put the new white piece in place, you just pop this back where it was. Cool, so they just snapped into place. I don't need this old sensor anymore, so I can throw it out. I don't need this anymore, but there's still one more sensor left in here, so I'm gonna put it aside in case this ever happens again. But yeah, just keep in mind that all 4 of these sensors are completely identical. So if you have a broken controller and hey, you need to do this again, you can just grab any of these other 3 sensors from your previous controllers and just pop it right here. But yeah, that's basically the end of the tutorial. Just put everything back, watch the video backwards basically, and you're good to go. As proof that it works, I have the website open up again, everything plugged in, and you can see as I'm going along the top here, I'm not bouncing up and down anymore, so we are good to go. So if you have any questions, just leave it down in the comments. But yeah, thanks for watching.